Okay, this is homework 3A3, problem 10. And problem 10 says we have a rhombus ABCD with diagonals AC and BD that meet at point E. If the measure of angle DAB is 46 degrees, find the length of EB. Now what the problem doesn't tell you is that AB has a length of 13. So let's draw this. Now a rhombus is really a square that's kind of shifted a little bit, tilted maybe. Now, in a square, all the sides have the same length, so I'm going to try to construct this so it's going to be roughly proportional. So I'm going to make this 2 inches, and I'll start here and draw one side here that's 2 inches long, approximately. And then if I measure over 2 inches from this one, this is my rhombus. Okay, so I'm going to label this A, B, C, and D. Now side AB has a length of 13. And I'm going to draw my 2 diagonals. And one of the properties of a rhombus is these diagonals form a right angle when they intersect. So this is a right angle. This is point E here. And I'm looking for EB. That's this side here. Now I am told that this overall angle here is 46 degrees. But another property of a rhombus is this diagonal splits this and bisects that angle. So this is 23 degrees and that's 23 degrees. So what I'm really looking at is just this triangle here, and it's a right triangle. So I can find what I'm looking for just by solving this triangle. So it's going to be this one. And this one. So if I label this, this is going to be my hypotenuse. Based on this angle here, this is the opposite side, and this is the adjacent. So I want the opposite. I have the hypotenuse, and my ratio for trig of the opposite over the hypotenuse is the sine. So the sine of theta is equal to the opposite side over the hypotenuse. Now specific to this problem, we have the sine of 23 degrees is equal to the opposite side x divided by 13. So 13 times the sine of 23 degrees will be x. So let's put that in the calculator. So 13 sine of 23 degrees, we see this is roughly 5.08. And I'm going to round it to the nearest tenth. So x is approximately 5.1 units. And let's answer the question. The length of EB is 5.1 units. And we're done. Take another look at this.